Few questions are present here from the unit probability. The first question is, define the probability of an event. The probability of an event is the ratio of the number of ways that are favorable to an event and the total number of possible events. To understand this answer, go to the second question. What is the probability of occurring head on tossing a coin? We know that one side of the coin is head and the other side is tail. Hence the total number of events is 2, one head and one tail. If you want to expect a head, the number of ways that are favorable to an event is 1. That means the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of occurrence of the tail is also 1 by 2. In the case of a single coin, the total number of possible events is 2. Then the possible ways for getting a head or a tail is 1. Therefore, the probability P is 1 by 2 for getting a head or getting a tail. What is meant by zero probability? If you consider the probability of getting the number 8 on throwing a die, the probability is 0 because the die has only 6 faces marked with the numbers 1 to 6. So you won't get the number 8. So this is called as zero probability. Then define unit probability. That is probability 1. Consider the probability of getting a number less than 7 on throwing a dice. We know that all the 6 faces of a die are marked with a number less than 7. So the probability of getting a number less than 7 is equal to 6 by 6 equal to 1 because we can get any number less than 7. Therefore 6 by 6 equal to 1. Hence the probability of a sure or certain event is 1. What do you mean by total probability? If A is the number of cases in which an event occurs and B the number of cases in which an event fails, the probability of occurrence of the event is small a divided by A plus B. The probability of failing of the event is B divided by A plus B. The sum of these probabilities equal to A plus B divided by A plus B equal to 1. The total probability is always 1 since the event may occur or fails. The sixth question is, define the principle of equal a priori probability. The principle of assuming equal probability for equally likely events is known as the principle of equal a priori probability. When we toss a coin, we are clear that the coin will fall either with its head up or tail up. This is a typical example for equal a priori probability. What probability of drawing a king from a packet of 52 cards? The total number of cards n is equal to 52, then m is equal to 4. The number of ways favorable to get a king in a packet of playing cards, 4 kings are present. Therefore, the probability P is equal to m by n equal to 4 divided by 52 equal to 1 by 13. What are independent events? 2 or more events are said to be independent if the others do not influence the occurrence of one. What are simultaneous events? 2 or more events that take place at the same time are known as simultaneous events. What are successive events? 2 or more events that take place one after the other are known as successive events. What are compound events? 2 events that happen simultaneously or succession are known as compound or composite events.